Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today's Let's Talk is going to be on design essentials. Like, where are they? What's up? I'm just going to share my views on the particular brand and how it's doing in South Africa. I've tried design essentials and I do have one or two videos up on my YouTube channel using the products. I've tried the mousse. They have like a treatment pack with 3 different steps. I've tried that. I've also tried, they have like a coconut balm, and I might have tried some other stuff, but I have used the brand. And I remember when it dropped in South Africa and there were so many influencers using the products, and I was so excited. I was like, oh yay, Design Essentials is in the country and I can see it everywhere. It was in the shops and now it's almost like crickets. I'm like, where is the brand? I do see them on the shelves, but I don't really see them interacting much with influencers anymore or just with the community as a whole. My experience using the products was positive. The mousse, my hair didn't really like it, but it was okay. This 3-step, I'll put the pictures up. The 3-step treatment, I did like it, but I never bought it again. And in my Let's Talk series, I was like, Raquel, why haven't you bought Design Essentials again? And honestly, it didn't really speak to me after seeing it all over social media, because let's face it, we all watch videos, myself included, and when we see there's a new product out and people are using it, you want to try it. And I think Design Essentials did very well coming in. They embraced the community. There was hype around the product, which is really, really nice. And then nothing. And with that nothing came not that many people buying it, because when I look in the community or when I'm looking on social media groups, I don't see anyone recommending the products. They are, like, don't get me wrong, I'm sure some of you have a favorite Design Essentials product. Drop that down below so that I can know and maybe try it. Maybe I haven't tried it, but there hasn't been much of a pull from Design Essentials to try and get me back as a consumer, because they do have quite a few products. I haven't tried any of the styling products, so I just thought it was very, very interesting to look in the South African natural hair community, look at the market and see where is Design Essentials. I do follow them on Instagram. I like their Instagram page. I love the packaging as well. The packaging, it is a bit, is it like a green or gray color, but the packaging is nice. It is a product, even when I'm in Clicks, I do stop and look. And I think that's why I'm doing this Let's Talk, because I stop and I just look, but my hand never picks it up. And I don't know what it is really. I enjoyed seeing Design Essentials out and about in the community. I think at certain natural events, they might be at a booth, but still, like, where is Design Essentials? Let me know what your favorite Design Essentials product, as I said, let me know if you've even used it and why you are no longer buying it. Why am I no longer seeing, or not seeing at all, any recommendations towards Design Essentials? I think that is like so interesting, because they have a broad range of products. They really do. You can find cleansers, conditioners, deep conditioners, styling products. So the brand is there and the brand does have products for us to buy. But why are we not buying them? I do understand that there are so many different products on the market, but as I said, I'm not seeing it anywhere at all. Price point wise, I think they are average. They're not like really expensive. They're not really, really cheap. I do think that they are affordable, because affordable is different to different people. But I just want to know, why are we not seeing Design Essentials anymore? And I haven't, as I said, I haven't bought it again, but I'm thinking about them. I'm thinking about the brand. So I don't know if I'm going to pick up another Design Essentials product again. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a bit of a quick Let's Talk, but I just wanted to bring it to all of our attention. Where is Design Essentials in the community? Are we seeing them? Are we not seeing them? Once again, drop your comments down below and we can talk about this brand and your favorite products, and I might pick it up as well and maybe do a video. I don't know. Thanks again, guys. As always, I'll see you again. Take care.